Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. I'm super excited to show you my latest kitchen gadget. It's this amazing steamer and air fryer combo by Nutricook. It's been a total game changer for me. I can make all sorts of delicious things like pizza, chicken wings, and it even reheats my food perfectly. If you're on the go and you want to cook healthy, this is the perfect tool for you. It uses less oil than traditional frying, so you can feel good about what you're eating. And if you're not a fan of air fryer, it also has roast, steam, and baking features. This thing is incredible. I think everyone needs one in their kitchen to make their life easier. It's made of high quality materials. It's super easy to clean and it's a breeze to use. They offer super clear instructions whether you prefer manual or a video. Trust me, you won't regret getting this. So if you're looking for something multifunctional that's a game changer, check this out, and that's my point of view.